And then when the gates would open, we would run inside the theater. 100 people charging inside, running and grab seats. First come, first serve. That's how I watched films.
उठ जा अपनी राख से तू उठ जा अब तलाश में परवस देख परवाने की आसमां भी सर उठाएगा आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा.
So that's how I made my debut on TV as a random kid. रोते हुए कि मेरे को अंदर नहीं घुसने दे रहे, मेरे को भी गाना है. मैं ये रो रहा हूँ टीवी पे.
So you've never said anything negative about it?
No, I actually never do.
What do you panic about?
I mean right now everything.
छोटा सा मैं लड़का, छोटी चीजों पे मैं भड़का, मेरे दाल में नहीं था तड़का, घर पे बाप के रोज का लफड़ा दफना मुश्किलों से. हाँ, मेरी माँ की कमाई ने बाप वाला रोल निभाया तेरे भाई ने.
Alright, so let me start off with a confession. I am an extremely curious guy, and जब भी मैं actors को देखता हूँ and I see them on interviews, I always end up wondering, इनकी script ऐसी क्यों लग रही कि किसी और ने लिखी है, right? And जब वो सच बोल देते हैं, if they say something real, ऐसा लगता है कि पीछे किसी को टेंशन हो रही है, भाई यहाँ तो अब controversy होने वाली है. So I thought, why not create a space which lets an actor be real, जहाँ उनको acting ही ना करनी पड़े, which is why. Welcome to On Set, Off Script. My name is Suren Sundaram and I plan to go completely off script, and in the process, अगर कुछ real सुनने को मिल जाए या दिख जाए, it's a podcast that is going to be worth it. I've got Shanaya Kapoor, I've got Adarsh Gaurav. Listen, I've been seeing you for the better part of the last month. जहाँ जा रहा हूँ, if I open my phone, you guys pop in, and then I thought, Jamshedpur boy, proper Mumbai girl, अगर तुम दोनों actors नहीं होते, if there was no film, तुम दोनों की जिंदगी क्या कभी क्रॉस भी होती? Like would it have ever crisscrossed your paths?
मेरे ओपिनियन में होती, क्योंकि ऐसा एक फेज था जब शनाया स्कूल में थी और मैं जूनियर कॉलेज में था. जब मैं इकॉल मॉन्डियल जिस स्कूल से ये पढ़ी है, उसके गलियों में बहुत मैं चिल करता रहा. इट यूज टू बी अ स्पॉट जहाँ पे कॉलेज के और जूनियर कॉलेज के बच्चे अपने गाड़ी को पार्क करके जो होता है ना अड्डा मारते हैं, तो हम अड्डा मारते थे वहाँ पे. तो मैं शनाया को भी बोल रहा था कि इट्स अ कंप्लीट पॉसिबिलिटी थी कि तू शायद ग्राउंड पे फुटबॉल खेल रही होगी किसी दिन और मैं वहीं पे गाड़ी पे अड्डा मार के चिल कर रहा हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ. यू नो मोटूज?
Yeah.
So Motus was also a place I used to hang out a lot at. See, so these are all Juhu spots that Juhu people know.
Right.
मैं कुल मिला के 4 से 5 साल रहा हूँ जुहू में अलग अलग जुहू के अलग अलग पार्ट्स में.
High rent bro.
नहीं, it's all free flats because they were all government flats. पहले 2.5 साल मेरे डैड के सरकारी फ्लैट में कूपर हॉस्पिटल के पीछे, उसके बाद 2 से 2.5 साल जुहू गली में भी न्यू इंडिया कॉलोनी, द कॉलोनी दैट आई शोड यू
Oh, that day.
that day. और फिर 2 साल रुइया पार्क में, which is near Silver Beach.
Right.
But they were all सरकारी quarters.
सरकारी घर मिले हुए.
सरकारी घर मिले.
Shana, have you ever thought about it कि आदर्श जहाँ से आया है, अगेन मैं तो ये पूरी तरीके से आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता हूँ, सरकारी नौकरी, माई मॉम वाज अ बैंकर, डैड जो है वो एम्बेसीज में काम करते थे. वुड योर लाइफ हैव लाइक क्या सेम सर्कल्स में उठना बैठना होता?
I feel like it's all about destiny. I think that if it was, we were meant to cross paths, I think that we would. And I feel like the way that we've
Straight
gotten
up fairy tale right now.
No, but I think the way that we've gotten along as friends during the filming of Tu Ya Main, it kind of feels like we may have cross paths because we've kind of like gelled pretty well, very easily. At least, like for me, I usually take time to open up, but with Adarsh, it was pretty much
It was
chill.
pretty easy?
Yeah, it was very easy. So I feel now that you're asking this question, if we were not, suppose, in doing films, I feel we would have, because there was a sense of a comfort which I feel you wouldn't have had with anyone else so easily.
Yeah, you need to have some familiarity or
Yes.
similarity
There's
in
something
not your
that just-
upbringing, but maybe the area, maybe the language.
I don't know what it was. It was just a comfort.
It's not tangible. I
Yeah,
think
so I feel if you have that comfort suddenly with that person,
Right.
quite like faster compared to someone else, I feel then it was supposed to, or it was all meant to happen. So
Adarsh, like You came what 2007?
2007.
Mumbai? Right?
Same year as you.
And Jamshedpur से dad की नौकरी. The reason I ask that question is कि हम कहते हैं ना कि दुनिया बहुत अलग है. कभी-कभी मुझे कभी समझ नहीं आता है कि if I go to a place like this plush sofa, ये sofa मेरे घर पे तो कभी नहीं होगा, right? And everybody has their own like thought to it. But you come from Jamshedpur, bro. घर पे success का मतलब क्या था? क्योंकि I'm guessing काम कर रहे हैं, पैसे बन रहे हैं. That could also be success. You've moved way beyond it up.
यार मैंने कभी ऐसा ऑनेस्टली सोचा नहीं है कि सक्सेस का मतलब क्या है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज बोथ माई पेरेंट्स वर वर्किंग एंड बिकॉज आई वॉज द यंगर सिबलिंग आई गॉट द एडवांटेज ऑफ exercising a lot of freedom when it came to choosing what I wanted to do in life. So just as an example, in the 9th grade I dropped science. My school also had that option. बहुत कम schools में option होता है, पोदार में था वो option. पर वो मेरा भाई अगर चाहता भी करना ना 10 साल पहले मेरे, because he's 7 years older than me, my parents wouldn't have let him. But because they went through, you know, the grind with him, by the time it came to me, I felt like they suddenly became chill. So 9th grade when I told them that I don't want to do science, even though my dad is an MSc in chemistry and my mom's also studied science, they were like, fine. I was miserable. I was miserable at chemistry and physics and biology. So
Who isn't?
Huh? Who isn't? My dad wasn't. My brother wasn't. I was. I was like kind of like and it must have been frustrating for my parents because both my parents and my brother are academically very smart.
पढ़ाई में already like struggling, right?
I was struggling.
But you say that you want to be an actor. मेरे माँ बाप तो निकाल ही देते हैं.
Actually actor मैंने पहले बोला नहीं था ना, पहले तो singer ही बोला था और उनको वो भी चाहते थे कि मैं singer बनूं क्योंकि मेरे dad का अधूरा ख्वाब था. My dad was born in a village in rural Andhra Pradesh called Sangaon, right? It's like 2 hours away from Srikakulam, which is a very small district if you heard about it. East Godavari belt, very fertile land.
South Indian. Tamil and Kannada mix.
So my paternal grandfather was a village headmaster in a small school, and my grandmother was a poet. She was a housewife, but she was a published poet.
Achha.
She used to write in Telugu, and you know these books used to get published, and maybe just the villagers would read her poetry, but she was very artistic, you know, her thoughts. And then that came into my dad a little bit. That gene passed on. My dad started learning Carnatic and stuff, and he had उनका ख्वाब था कि वो singer बने. But circumstances were so hard for them. There were 10 children. My dad had 9 siblings, you know. So there was no question of following your dream and your passion. ये सब उस टाइम होता नहीं था ना भाई, 60s की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. So I feel like I am the first generation of my family that's actually had the mixture of talent meeting opportunity. Otherwise talent was always there in my family. A lot of people had talent. My brother also, my dad, my mom, all artists. By heart. But I got the opportunity and something came of it.
Wow.
That's the difference.
शनाया, ये भाई का जो विकी हमने पेज सुना है अभी पूरा, like it's like a full family history.
Yeah.
Your life बहुत अलग, right? Because आप एक ऐसी family से हैं which has a weight to it, right? Like I guess उसके dad जो हैं, they know about your family as well because you are part of the Kapoor family where Uncle Anil Kapoor हैं, Boni Kapoor हैं, you got cousins जो acting कर चुके हैं, you got Sonam, you got Arjun and all these guys. For the better part of it, I think the Kapoor name वो एक VVIP pass की तरह है, but then your life is like always on CCTV because आपका हर move जो है it will get scrutinized. How was it for you knowing acting should be something जो मैं कर सकती हूँ, but there's always going to be questions around it?
I didn't overthink it too much. For me, it was just a young girl who wanted to fulfill her dreams, and you know, I had that path and I had that chance to do so. But I think growing up now, I look back and of course, there's a lot more, you're more conscious of where you come from and you're more aware of where you come from. So you know the responsibility that you do have. You do understand that opportunities do come, of course, easier to you because of where you come from. And I think now I know that, okay, my responsibility is that I shouldn't take advantage of those opportunities, I shouldn't misuse those opportunities, and I should give my 200, 300% because that's what I owe to my audience, that's what they deserve. Because I do understand where I come from.
Right.
But having said that, yes, you know, the VVIP, I wouldn't say that, but yes, of course, there's an easy access.
Right.
But having said all of that, I've also seen the setbacks. I've seen the unpredictability very much up close. So I don't take it for granted. And my father, he's been through his fair share of highs and lows, I feel. And
यार you're speaking about it, like I have seen your father's films, like प्रेम देखी है मैंने,
Yeah.
मेरे को सलमान और your dad, उनकी एक फिल्म आई थी औजार, अभी तो उसका गाना भी मुझे याद आ रहा
भाई
है।
दिलबर पे मैं कितना नाचा हूँ बचपन में।
दिलबर तो लोगों ने यार कितनी बार रिहाज भी कर दी है।
yeah, now recently also with Nora.
लेकिन डैड ने क्या बोला? Like you want to be an actor, और डैड जो हैं like जिनके बहुत सक्सेसफुल माँ बाप होते हैं ना, वो तो फिर भी नसीहत दे देते हैं, राइट, कि तुम ये कर लो, ये हो जाएगा। बट आपके डैड ने वो स्ट्रगल देखा है कि जब थॉट्स आते हैं दिमाग में, सवाल आते हैं, तो डैड ने क्या बोला जब आपने बोला कि यू नो व्हाट डैड, आई थिंक आई वांट टू एक्ट?
He honestly, the only thing that he told me was, you know, to work extremely hard and to put your head down, to focus on, you know, the work and not let the noise get to you, and always have that self-belief. And I think that there was never a moment where we sat down and we had a conversation and he was giving me this advice, because he felt like you've seen it all up close. I saw it in the house. I saw how it was when he had work. I saw it when he didn't have work, and I saw it now when has literally no dates, and because he's working back to back. And he also says himself, this is like my second innings that is happening right now. But I always saw that he never lost that smile on his face. He never lost that self-belief. And I think when you see something like that up close, you kind of just pick it up very organically. There's no moment that he felt like he had to sit down and tell me, because I saw it. So yeah.
ओके, आई थिंक फिल्म मिल जाए वही बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, क्योंकि इस देश में आई थिंक IIT से ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है क्रैक करना कि यार एक फिल्म मिल जाए। फॉर यू इट वाज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट, राइट? क्योंकि वाइट टाइगर भी आई एंड सडनली एवरीबडी न्यू कि भाई आदर्श गौरव नाम का ही एक्टर है, वो एक्टिंग भी कर सकता है। डू यू नो वेयर आई फर्स्ट स्पॉटेड यू दो, लाइक अदर देन द फिल्म? इन अ वीडियो विद लीजा मिश्रा।
हाँ, मुझे तुम नजर से।
और भाई वो गाने वाला तो हमें पार्ट पता भी नहीं था, द फैक्ट कि आप काला घोड़ा से गा के आए हो, एंड देन नाउ यू आर परफॉर्मिंग एट लोलापालूजा एज वेल। व्हाट वाज दैट सॉन्ग एंड हाउ इज इट दैट आप इतना अच्छा कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक स्टाइल में भी गा लेते हो?
भाई मेरी कहानी एक्चुअली वाइट टाइगर के बहुत पहले शुरू हो गई थी। दुनिया को मेरे बारे में वाइट टाइगर के बारे में के थ्रू मालूम पड़ा। बट मैं तो 2008 से मतलब अपने स्कूल में प्लेस कर रहा था, फिर मैंने junior college mein, when I was in Mithibai, I was in the drama team. I was doing ads. I was just telling you all that I was doing all these small bits and roles in these Disney shows also. Sweet Life of Karan and Kabir में एक episode में 10 मिनट का कुछ काम कर लिया, फलाने ad में 20,000 के लिए काम कर लिया, फलाने जगह का voice over दे दिया 15,000 का. So for me it was more of a activity that I used to have fun with, make money, and it was great pocket money for like a 17-18-year-old kid. So I used to just like live life king size. You know, like it was basically just about having a good time. My main focus was actually music. I'm a Hindustani classical singer. I started training when I was 5 years old, and I trained for 10 years. And I actually went on Little Champs like twice. I went on Saregama, the adult version of it in Jamshedpur when I was 10 years old, and I was not allowed inside because I was underage. And I threw a fit and cried, and the cameras came on me and they recorded this segment that used to play at the beginning of every episode. It's the most embarrassing thing. And so I was known as the guy, the kid in the red t-shirt who was crying on ZTV in my colony. Because that's how I made my debut on TV as a random kid. रोते हुए कि मेरे को अंदर नहीं घुसने दे रहे, मेरे को भी गाना है। मैं ये रो रहा हूँ टीवी पे। ये बात कर रहा हूँ मैं 2004 या 5 की। And I remember my dad said it maybe to encourage me, maybe to feel better about himself, but he was like, I remember this one day when this older girl came and was making fun of me in front of my dad while I was going to a shop. I don't know if he'll remember this, but my dad heard it, and with a smile on his face he looked up at her and he was like, one day he'll come on TV and he won't be crying, he'll make you cry or he'll make you smile, something like that. He said something very prophetic, you know, and I was just like looking at him like, Papa? My dad, my hero kind of, you know, like. But at that point in time, we had no idea. We had no idea that we would even be in Bombay, because हम तो जमशेदपुर में थे और पापा की नौकरी वहीं थी, तो वो तो किस्मत ऐसा था कि पापा ने एक जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया यहाँ पे पोजीशन के लिए, वी मूव्ड हियर एंड वी मूव्ड ऑल्सो बिकॉज वी वर लाइक क्या पता आदर्श को कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल जाएं सिंगिंग में, प्लेबैक में, तो यहाँ आए, फिर लिटिल चैम्प्स में गया, वहाँ रिजेक्ट हुआ, यहाँ पे मैं गाना क्लासिकल सीख रहा था, तो क्लासिकल सीखते सीखते स्टेज शोज करने लगा, मतलब इट वाज एक पत्ता डाल के ऐसे पहाड़ बनाया हूँ मैं ऐसे, मतलब इट्स White Tiger तो was of course the moment
like
where
culmination एक तरीके से.
yeah, White Tiger
उन
was the
पत्तों का.
culmination of everything coming together for me. You know, that was
You know where I saw Shania first?
No.
On TV, on an IPL game, because she was there. And Shania जब फिल्मों की कोई शुरुआत करता है, and I don't want to go to the fact कि आप एक कपूर हैं, whatever, like everyone wants to start off with a good film, और आपके साथ वो हुआ था, and then suddenly things fall out. अगर मुझे कोई बहुत बड़ी opportunity मिल रही है, and I think कि कल मेरे को एक शो मिलने वाला है, this is going to be the biggest thing in my life, and then maybe like a month before that, मुझे कहते हैं कि sorry bro नहीं हो रहा है, I will lose it. I will absolutely lose it. और उसके दो तरीके हैं, either I can go into my bedroom और बोलूँ कि भाई दुनिया लुट गई, ख़त्म हो गई, or I do something about it, which is exactly what you did, क्योंकि आपने अपनी उस फिल्म के साथ किया. For a girl who's as young as you, जब ऐसी कोई चीज़ होती है, how do you process that? Like, do you have conversations with your cousins, like say Sonam or whoever? How did you?
I honestly, like you said, I'm 26 right now. When this was happening with me, I was around 19, 20. So it was a while ago. My second film is releasing right now, but at that time that I was supposed to be debuting, or my first film was supposed to come out, I was like 20, 21. So we had also shot for a small bit of time. We shot for like 2 weeks. I feel that was more heartbreaking for me, because once you're on set, once you get to know the person, when you feel attached to the crew, you feel attached to the set, it's more, it feels, you know, you feel a little bit more, I think, heartbroken. But I think that I'm happy I went through all of that. And sitting here today, there's a sense where I can reflect and sit back, and I'm like, you know, like I said earlier, everything that was supposed to happen happened, because I think those experiences taught me a little bit about life, and it grounded me as much as it could, which I feel was very important. And I think that those experiences have somewhere helped me also as an artist, which makes me happy a little bit. It's helped me as Shania a little bit. I'm a little bit more self-assured as much as I can be. Of course, I have my low days, but it's good to feel happy with who you are, you know. So
ये जो low days की आपने बात की, what do you guys panic over? क्योंकि तुम्हारी प्रोफेशन में ना तुम straight सोच सकते हो, ना तुम ये कह सकते हो कि ठीक है आज मैं चला जाऊंगा and I will do this. You have to think. There are people who are going to tell you what you should think sometimes. कि ये मत करना, वो मत करना. No, this is not cool. Nobody does it like that. What do you guys panic about? कौन सी वो एक चीज़ है जिससे ऐसा लगता है कि
I mostly just panic about the lack of good scripts, or when I find good scripts, the lack
भाई
of
तुझे
good.
mainstream पसंद नहीं है ना?
भाई मैंने ज़्यादा mainstream देखा नहीं है और expose भी नहीं हुआ हूँ, और मेरा देखो whatever you are is basically what you're influenced by and what you're exposed to at a very young age, right? That's basically from 6 to 14, 15, what you see is what you ultimately become even in your adult life, a version of that. I was never exposed to commercial cinema. Jamshedpur didn't have proper theaters when you were growing up, bro. एक theater था, पायल सिनेमा, जहाँ पे लोग जाने से डरते थे अपने परिवार के साथ, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ऐसे भयानक लोग आते थे ना कि खुशी में सीट फाड़ देते थे कंपास लेके. मॉशपिट होते थे थिएटर के बाहर देखने के लिए ना, जानवरों जैसे लोग ऐसे वो जो आयन के शटर होते थे, जैसे मालेगांव में नहीं दिखा एक सीन में, हम लोग सब जब मैं अपने बड़े भाई के साथ उनके दोस्तों के साथ जाता था, we were literally like a pack of animals, 100 people who wanted to go watch the film, and we used to bang the gates like this, and they used to hold me on top on their shoulders so that I wouldn't get crushed because I was really small. And then when the gates would open, we would run inside the theater. 100 people charging inside, running and grab seats. First come, first served. That's how I watched films. You know, so the environment in which I was growing up, I didn't watch a lot of films. I probably watched like 6 films in the theater till I was 13 or 14 till I moved to Mumbai. मुंबई में पहली बार मैं मल्टीप्लेक्स देखा हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं
क्या
था.
बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, जमशेदपुर got its first multiplex 10 years ago. Prakash Jha built it. Before that there was no multiplex.
और यहाँ आने के बाद you thought कि अरे ये तो
यहाँ आके मैं
civilized है.
मैकडोनल्ड्स में खाया हूँ पहली बार. यहाँ आके मैं मल्टीप्लेक्स गया हूँ. यहाँ आके I got exposed to anything outside of what was in जमशेदपुर, you know. यहाँ आके मैं पहली बार नाइकी के जूते पहने, एडिडास के जूते, जब मैं 14, मैं बोल नहीं रहा हूँ कोई बड़ी बात है.
नहीं, हाँ.
पर जो भी एक्सपोजर मेरे को मिला यहीं आके मिला है. वहाँ पे it was a very insulated environment. It's a very insulated town, which I loved honestly. It was very, it was here that I was
दुनियादारी से
actually
कटा हुआ
exposed to
है.
capitalism in any form, you know. What was your question? I feel like
Panic, bro.
Panic.
किस चीज को लेके पैनिक कर जाते हो?
Panic मेरा बस, I feel like
अच्छी scripts.
when I don't find good scripts, or when I find good scripts and that writer can't find good producers, then it gets frustrating because no, I digressed to that because you were like आपको commercial films नहीं पसंद है. Lot of times the arguments of producers is like he's not a commercial actor so we can't put money on it, which I think is fair in their argument.
And what do you panic about?
I mean, right now, everything. I mean, I'm just starting
Such
out.
निकला, such निकला, हाँ.
I'm just starting out. I'm figuring it out. I don't know, you know. So everything for me, every day is a panic because I don't know what's right. I don't know what's wrong. I'm figuring things out.
बहुत लोग नहीं है जो बताते होंगे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. लाइक ये मत करो. घर पे बात होती है इसको लेके
No,
कि
not
ऐसी
at
choices
all.
नहीं.
Not at all. I
जो
mean,
करना करो.
Like, of course, we always chat, and I was telling Adarsh also that I always sit with my parents. They're like my best friends. I really just chat with them about my day and about how I'm feeling. But it's never that you should say this, you should not say that, or this is how you should say things, and this is how you should not. I obviously ask my parents for advice like any kid would, but at the end of it, you know, they also want me to do and learn through my mistakes and through my experiences. But like I said, right now, I'm even going on set every day. When I was shooting for Tu Ya Main, it was, you know, you're constantly just always questioning yourself if you're going the right way, if you're not, because I'm just figuring things out now. Maybe
You're doing a fine job of it.
let's see. I mean,
पहली
hopefully.
फिल्म कोई nobody plays a blind role. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि बहुत लोग करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि उसमें एक्टिंग करनी पड़ेगी और मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. रोम कॉम अगर कर लेते तो शायद आसान हो जाता. लेकिन now you're doing this film which is on influencers. I think influencers don't live life, they film life. like whatever. I mean, कभी कोई ऐसा किया कुछ on your own social media handles जिसको करने के बाद you were like, man ये क्या cringe चीज कर दी है यार, क्या करनी पड़ी है?
हाँ, बहुत बार
किसी
बहुत बार मूवी प्रमोट करने के लिए क्रिंज चीजें करनी पड़ती हैं.
Have you felt bad about it कि कभी-कभी ऐसी फिल्म प्रमोट करनी पड़ी जिसमें मेरे को कोई faith नहीं?
नहीं, मैं ऐसी फिल्म किया ही नहीं हूँ मैंने आज तक जिस पे मेरे को फेथ नहीं है. मैं करूँगा भी नहीं.
दृढ़ विश्वास के साथ.
हाँ, 100%. 3 महीने में शूट कैसे करूँगा एक फिल्म के लिए अगर मेरे को उसमें विश्वास नहीं है. इतनी एक्टिंग नहीं कर सकता हूँ मैं सेट पे. कैमरा पे भी एक्टिंग चल रहा है, ऑफ कैमरा भी एक्टिंग चल रहा है. हाँ, ये ज़रूर है भाई कि देखो, टिल नाउ आई हैव ऑल्सो, you know, touch wood, things have, even though not been easy, they've also not been so hard that I've been tested कि खाने के पैसे नहीं है. वो दिन नहीं आए. अगर वो दिन आज आ गए कभी गलती से तो शायद मेरे को काम करना पड़े. Then I will end up working for money. You know, ultimately it's survival. Or I'll just move out of Bombay and live a life where I don't need a lot of money to live that life, and because there are lots of things that make me happy. Thankfully, acting is, I don't depend on my happiness only with acting. There's singing, that music that makes me really happy. I feel like I've not tried my hand at farming or like, you know, but I would love at some point to get into organic produce and like grow my own stuff and, you know, hopefully farm to market. Or even if I can just do like some very small thing and just be like self-contained in a small place, you know, I don't think that I'm so desperately tied to acting as my identity that if this doesn't happen and the day good roles stop coming, I'll end up only working for money. At least in my head that thought doesn't sit right with me. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, who knows.
Shania, have you posted anything and immediately like bola ki nahi yaar ye nahi, like why did I even do it? Like you just regretted it, hated yourself for it?
No, nothing, not too much. I mean, of course, I think whenever I post anything where I feel I'm showing a little bit of my personal life, or if it's something to do with my, you know, imperfections, I do get a little bit nervous doing it. But I mean, nothing too intense.
So कभी कभी ये होता है कि आपको किसी ने कुछ पोस्ट करने के लिए बोला, मैं तो ऐसी नौकरी करके आ रहा हूँ जहाँ मुझे बोला गया है ये पोस्ट करो, ये ज़रूरी है, बट विद यू वेदर इट इज़ फॉर अ फ्रेंड, किसी दोस्त के लिए, किसी प्रोड्यूसर के लिए या व्हाटएवर, डालना पड़ा है पोस्ट एंड यू इंस्टेंटली रिग्रेटेड इट कि यार मुझे क्यों
नहीं, कभी नहीं। आई तो अभी ऑफ कैमरा भी हम ये बात कर रहे थे, ये कभी मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है। whatever my team tells me to share, if I like it I do it, if I don't feel like I don't, but अभी तक ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं है। और फ्रेंड्स के लिए तो मैं हमेशा सब कुछ पोस्ट करती हूँ। For other films also I love doing that.
So suppose you have gone, कोई फिल्म देखी है, personally you didn't like it, but
no, I think like I was telling Adarsh also, it's a lot of, I was even discussing this earlier, जब मैं असिस्ट कर रही थी तो आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि एक शॉट के लिए देयर सो मच एफर्ट दैट्स बीइंग पुट, इवन इफ यू डू अ वॉक फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी। अभी तो हम अच्छे से बैठ के हम बात कर रहे हैं, बस वही कर रहे हैं और कैमरा रोल हो रहा है,
यहाँ कुछ और डायनामिक
there's 3 cameras and that's you know about it, but if you're shooting for a film and shooting for a scene, आपको यहाँ से वहाँ बस वॉक करना है, there's background, there's light, there's sound, there is a team coordinating कि ये सही टाइम पर होना चाहिए. So there's so much effort. So any film, and whether, who am I to say I like it or I don't like it? I'm also just starting out. For me, it's just about supporting everyone because I want that support back when my film comes out as well. So if I don't do it for them, how मैं अभी कैसे message करके बोल सकती हूँ?
So it's a good thing कि you were an assistant director, क्योंकि वो जो एक फिल्म बनाने की मेहनत होती है, वो भाई का रिस्पेक्ट आ गया.
That's why. I didn't even know was I doing it. But it's just making me feel good.
Okay.
Relaxed, comfortable. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो I think AD बनते हैं if they really want to get into the films, and those who have, their career has been like different, right? Like रणबीर ने किया, वरुण ने किया, सिद्धार्थ ने किया. You were an AD, why? Like you wanted to learn the art of filmmaking before you became an actor, या you thought कि एक natural progression होगा, शायद सीखने को ज़्यादा मिले?
नहीं, I don't think it was like a natural progression, but मुझे ये मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि that's, I don't want to ever set foot on a set without knowing what everyone else is doing, because I should know what a call sheet is, I should know what a DPR is, I should know what continuity supervisor is, I should know about my lenses, I should know what's the difference in a wide shot and a close and a OS, how does it change your performance, I should know the effort it takes even just on calling the actor on time, making sure they're on set on time, just everything. If I didn't know all of this, then how will I value it once I'm on set?
But did it help कि the film that you assisted on, उसमें you had someone that you know, like a close to, like it's a family member?
हाँ नहीं, जब मैं गुंजन सक्सेना पर मैं असिस्ट कर रही थी, and of course it was a very proud feeling for me that I was looking at my sister do the work that she was doing, क्योंकि वो बहुत मतलब मेहनत कर रही थी, शिद्दत से काम कर रही थी, दिल से काम कर रही थी, and for me that was very inspiring. So I'll always say that I always look up to Janvi, she's my older sister, so for me it was a very proud moment. But when I'm assisting, I was with my team. I was not with her. I was staying with them. I was with them. I was working with them. Those were my friends. So without talking too much about it, it was just another day on set for me. It wasn't that I'm on a set of my sister's film. So
you have reminded us again that this is just your second film, right?
Yes.
Second film. मैं उस जनरेशन से हूँ जहाँ मैंने बहुत एक्टर्स को अब भी देखा है कि अगर भागने का शॉट है ना तो उसमें वो लोग बॉडी डबल यूज करते हैं. Who in their right mind would want to do a film जिसमें एक रियल क्रोकोडाइल को लाए हैं फ्रॉम थाईलैंड? You can't
but
tell
actually मजा आया, और हम एक्चुअली
और
हम
ये
दोनों ने
कौन
साथ
कहता है कि मुझे क्रोकोडाइल के साथ शूट करके मजा आया?
But it was fun. I mean मुझे तो डर लग रहा था of course, but मजा तो आया for sure.
प्लीज एक नॉर्मल फिल्म कर ले,
नहीं,
रोमांटिक फिल्म
no,
जिसमें आंखें भी ठीक है, क्रोकोडाइल भी नहीं है. It's all good. We'll take it, man. We'll take it. No.
I want to have fun. Whatever is making me have fun, I'm very happy doing that.
Okay, so मैं सच बोलने वाला हूँ. Like again, being real about this. मैंने ट्रेलर जो है वो सिर्फ 2 वर्ड्स के लिए देखा था, and that is बिजॉय नाम्बियर. मैं उनको शैतान से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, and I really like his work. तो मैं बोला यार बिजॉय अब क्या लव स्टोरी बनाने वाले? Because that's how it starts, right? आप दोनों influencers and there's some crazy dialogues between you both. भाई वो क्रोकोडाइल आया, मैंने बोला ओके दिस इज बिजॉय, लेकिन ये दोनों क्यों कर रहे हैं ये फिल्म? सो यू सॉ क्रोकोडाइल, आदर्श गौरव एंड सेड ठीक है मैं कर लेती हूँ.
No, जैसे आपने भी कहा, when you see a name like Bijoy,
Yeah.
Bijoy sir, Anand sir, Adarsh Gaurav, these for a new actor, it's, you know, how can you even think twice about this?
Right.
For me, it was an opportunity of a lifetime. It was a dream come true that I can work with a set of team like this, or Bijoy's sir's thinking, Adarsh's, you know, performance that was making my life and my performance, I feel, just 10 times easier. I feel because he was giving me so much, and then with Anand sir's faith on the film, it was that was it.
भाई सोच में चले गए हैं आप भी, क्रोकोडाइल के बारे में सोच रहे हैं व्हाट इज इट? क्योंकि तूने तो यार की है फिल्में राइट जो थोड़ी सी अलग हैं. आई मीन दिस इज नॉट रन ऑफ द मिल स्टफ. आई डोंट थिंक मेरे को कोई सर्वाइवल फिल्म याद है हमारे देश में जो बनी हो
कम बनी है.
लॉन्गेस्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
कम
याद
बनी
है
है.
कोई?
काल थी एक किस्म की सर्वाइवल, जंगल में फंस जाते हैं
क्रीचर
सारे.
फीचर
Man
ये
eating
जनरेशन
tiger.
में तो अभी रिलीज नहीं हुई.
नहीं हुई.
कोई नहीं, हम बनाते ही नहीं है.
काल था एक किस्म से, बट अजय देवगन टाइगर भी थे और भूत भी थे, तो थोड़ा
उससे पहले जुनून थी एक,
जुनून
बट नहीं
थी. कम बनी है ऐसी.
सो देन तुमने क्या देखा ऐसा लाइक फिल्म में? अगेन क्या
बहुत कुछ
बिजॉय
भाई,
नाम भी
मतलब
आया?
हाँ बिजॉय, आनंद सर, बट स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ कोर्स, कैरेक्टर, हिप हॉप को डिस्कवर करने का मौका, मुंबई को एक नए नज़रिए से देख पाने का मौका. क्योंकि रिसर्च के दौरान नाला सुपारा, गोवंडी, कुर्ला वगैरह जाना हुआ, धारावी जाना हुआ और बार बार जाना हुआ, वहाँ के लोगों से मिलना हुआ. और मुझे एक्चुअली लगा कि 19 साल बाद मैं फाइनली एक्चुअली मुंबई को जान पाया हूँ इस फिल्म की वजह से. वरना शायद उन जगहों पे मेरा जाने का कोई कारण नहीं था, कभी दोस्त बने नहीं थे उतने दूर के. एक कारण ये भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग था कि मैं चाहता था कि मैं ऐसी फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ जो जिसकी एक कमर्शियल क्या बोलते हैं सेटअप हो, जो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्क्रीन्स में रिलीज़ हो पाए.
What does that mean? Like
मतलब see it doesn't need to be a मसाला कमर्शियल फिल्म, but it can have a
लेकिन ज़्यादा
commercial-
लोग देखें.
हाँ, लेकिन अगर ऐसी फिल्म मेरे लिए ज़रूरी था इस फेज ऑफ माई लाइफ इन माई करियर टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ सच अ फिल्म जो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग देख पाएँ, जो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्क्रीन्स में रिलीज़ हों, जिसको एक ऐसा प्रोड्यूसर बैक करे जिसको मैं भी पसंद करता हूँ, जिसको लोग भी बहुत पसंद करते हैं. एंड आई फील लाइक ऑल ऑफ दैट केम ट्रू विद दिस, यू नो, क्योंकि अभी तक जो भी मेरा काम आया है वो 2 फिल्में मेरी या 3 फिल्में थिएट्रिकल रिलीज़ हुई हैं, बट none of them have been with me as the solo lead. So this film gives me the opportunity to reach out to the masses of the country, you know, क्योंकि अभी भी मेरे को लगता है कि मेरी जो लोग मेरा काम पसंद करते हैं बहुत नीश है, बहुत कम एक सेक्शन ऑफ द ऑडियंस है, बाकियों को शायद पता भी नहीं है मैं कौन हूँ, या पता है तो वो सोचते हैं कि मैं मुझे तुम नज़र से का जो सिंगर है. क्योंकि कई लोग जब मेरे को मिलते हैं, जब मैं ट्रैवल करता हूँ, वो मुझसे मेरी एक्टिंग से ज़्यादा मेरी गानों के बारे में बात करते हैं और मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन मैं ये भी चाहता हूँ कि बतौर एक्टर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग जान पाएँ मेरे बारे में. और आई फील लाइक दिस टूया में इज सच अ फैंटास्टिक अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी एज एन आर्टिस्ट के ना सिर्फ एक्टर बट मेरे को एज अ सिंगर गाने को मौका मिला है, रैपर, मैंने रैप किया, मैंने डांस किया है, मैंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें इसमें जो की हैं.
वो तुम्हारा जो साथ में वीडियो है, शनाया इज ऑल्सो rapping to that song in a way, and she's got an attire जो पूरा rapper attire है. That is like it's just great to watch.
कौन सा?
इसमें rapper मतलब टोपी वोपी पहन के बॉस.
Yeah.
Famous.
No, are you talking about from the trailer? Trailer के time the train station one?
हाँ, वो.
तो वो actually improv था.
टोपी जो तेरे सर पे था?
नहीं, मतलब when we were on the train, when we were shooting.
Shot.
Not the hand shot. Remember when I was rapping and Bijoy sir said just rap?
Yeah.
And I was like, what do I
The crew
rap?
on your side, crew on my side.
Yeah. So
Listen, why are we talking about it? Just rap it for me, man.
What did you rap? You rap. अपना time आएगा.
You have?
Yeah, I
You
rapped
remember?
it. Yeah, I think I do.
Go give. Adarsh beat दे दे भाई.
Beat.
Okay. Beat.
Right. 3, 2, 1, go.
उठ जा अपनी राख से तू, उठ जा अब तलाश में, परवज़ देख परवाने की आसमां भी सर उठाएगा, आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा, ये शब्दों का जाला मेरी बेड़ियां पे लाएगा, जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो खाएगा, जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब अब कैसे तू दफनाएगा, अब हौसले से जीने
जिंदा
दे
मेरा
खौफ
खाक,
नहीं, अब
कैसे
हौसले
तू
से जीने
अब
दे अब खौफ
हौसले से
नहीं है
जीने
जीने
दे,
में सीने में
सीने में
समथिंग
हर
इतना ही इम्प्रोव
बट क्रेजी क्रेजी।
तेरे को याद है
ये
क्या?
मैंने एक्चुअली MC शेर के लिए ऑडिशन दिया था। यार
MC शेर के लिए
हाँ।
which सिद्धांत eventually
हाँ।
bagged और उसके लिए रैप करना था।
इनसेन यार, मेरे को सिद्धांत पे भाई मैं फिदा हो गया था सिद्धांत पे। आफ्टर आई सॉ द फिल्म आई वाज जस्ट लाइक वाओ यार, व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस भाई, क्या
And you had to rap in the audition?
Yeah, of course. All of us had to rap. But Siddhant was 2 steps ahead of all of us because he wrote his own rap and he
अरे
rapped.
तेरी की।
हम सब बाकी सिंगर्स के रैप रट रहे हैं, लर्न कर रहे हैं। मैं डिवाइन का मैंने जंगली शेर रैप किया था। छोटा सा मैं लड़का, छोटी चीज़ों पे मैं भड़का, मेरे दाल में नहीं था तड़का, घर पे बाप के रोज का लफड़ा दफना मुश्किलों से, हाँ मेरी माँ की कमाई ने बाप वाला रोल निभाया तेरे भाई ने। तो ये पूरा मैं लर्न करे गया था और सिद्धांत भाई ने अपना ही रैप लिख के परफॉर्म कर दिया। But how good was he?
Dude, he was brilliant.
He's amazing.
And she's brilliant. This is the first time I've actually seen someone rap. अपना टाइम आएगा. लोग गाते हैं पुराने गाने and she's rapping. अपना टाइम आएगा. Which was that one moment? I think films जो हैं वो relationship की तरह ही होती हैं. बहुत कुछ सिखा जाती हैं. Some good, some bad. एक ऐसी चीज which being on this set with these kind of people, again बहुत अलग अलग हैं. आदर्श, आनंद, बिजॉय, ये आपके regular commercial लोग नहीं हैं. Is there one thing which you will take away from this film, which was a learning for you?
There was so much.
एक बता दो यार.
Ek, I think from Bijoy sir, I think he really allowed me to voice my opinion about my scenes and about how I'm feeling, you know. And I think that he told me ki yes, you know, Abhishek has written this script and yes, I'm here to guide you, but now आपने ये research किया है अपने character के बारे में, अवनी के बारे में, तो आपको वो back story मालूम है, मुझे नहीं. So you know little bit of those quirks. Try and bring that on floor, and I'm leaving it up to you. Okay. And for that, I think it was the first time where I was, you know, also opening up to you know, voice few things. I'm also starting out. I don't know if I can, if I should, if I'm allowed to. But I think Bijoy sir really like he pushed me to have a voice, to open up, to say the idea. It's okay. Don't get scared. So that I think was the biggest lesson I learned from him.
From Bijoy?
No, just in general from the film.
Just in general. कुछ तो मिलता होगा ना. Or you can just say कि भाई काम था किया निकल आया.
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं भाई. There's so much that you know, you also kind of don't realize how exhausting a survival film can become for you. And then you basically just surrender to your actual situation and use that feeling in the scene that you're already going through in the scene. You know, because हम लोग जब शूट कर रहे थे,
तुम लोग कुछ वर्कशॉप वगैरह भी की थी?
वर्कशॉप भी किया हमने
अतुल सर के साथ.
With Atul Mungia.
Yeah.
And क्या like you had to act like animals या क्या मतलब कि मतलब
वो
animals in the sense कि सामने अगर कोई animal आ जाए तो how you react?
No, it's not that. भाई एनिमल स्टडी it's a basic acting exercise where जो आपका कैरेक्टर होता है आप आपको वो कौन से जानवर का याद दिलाता है, आप उसके बारे में वो जानवर को आप बेसिकली
Black Panther,
spirit animal
and peacock.
I was a peacock because ना वो है ना अला मारुति कदम का के थोड़ा वो पंख अपना निकाल के नाचता है सबके सामने. He's a performative guy. So
मुझे यहाँ actually animal study के बारे में मैं कुछ नहीं जानती थी. It was Adarsh who usually does it in his process. So he
one
was
of the
one
things
who,
I use when I sometimes get stuck or you know I use animal study.
Wow, dude.
Interesting.
And इस film से then what like was the biggest lesson that you got करते हुए, because you said कि बहुत exhausting हो गया था. You surrender yourself.
हाँ भाई, मतलब ऐसा कई दिन ऐसे थे कि हम घंटों तक हम पूल में रहते थे क्योंकि हमने एक सेट बनाया था स्विमिंग पूल का. 20 फुट बड़ा स्विमिंग पूल खोदा तारे में स्टूडियो के अंदर. उस स्टूडियो में AC 16 डिग्री पे चल रहे हैं पूरे दिन, आर्टिफिशियल बारिश, आप पानी में यहाँ तक हो और आप पूल से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते हो असली में भी, क्योंकि बाहर निकलने का पूरा प्रोसेस है. एक आयन की पूरी सीढ़ी ऐसे लगती थी जो चक्कों पे थी, वो चक्के वहाँ पे ऐसे लगते थे, उसको सिक्योर करते थे, रस्सी से बांधते थे और फिर हम जाते थे. अगर हमें सुसु भी जाना होता था ना तो इट यूज्ड टू बी अ प्रोसेस. तो कई बार तो हम सब कुछ दबा के अंदर ही बैठे हुए घंटों तक we're just controlling our urge to not even go pee because we know it's a process.
You serious?
Yeah.
It's excruciating.
It was crazy. हम लोग 1 महीने तक ऐसे थे, 1-1.5 महीने, और वो और भी ज़्यादा लगता है जब आप कर रहे होते हो. It feels even longer.
Listen, क्योंकि अब ये सच्चाई वाली राह पे हम निकल चुके हैं एंड मेरी आई थिंक पूरे आपके एक्टर्स की बिरादरी जो है उसमें एक ही कंप्लेंट रही है कि प्लीज यार पीआर वाला आंसर मत देना, सच आंसर दे देना. सो क्योंकि अब आप दोनों सच बोल ही रहे हैं. इट्स अ स्मॉल एक्सरसाइज, दिस इज नॉट अ सेगमेंट, ये कोई गेम शो नहीं है या कोई ऐसा चैट शो नहीं है, राइट? सो इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस. मैं आपको एक सवाल पूछूंगा.
Okay.
You have to give me both versions. You have to tell me which is the PR safe version and what is the real version. सही जवाब क्या है और PR सही जवाब क्या है?
Really?
You want to take a moment? No?
No, that's
Good?
Yeah.
So this is called on cam off script. This is not a game. This is not me trying to do segment. PR safe answer एक होता है जो हम लोग हमेशा सुनते आए हैं, एक होता है सच्चा जवाब जो मैं सुनना चाहता हूँ. So which is the one PR question जो हर इंटरव्यू में तुम लोगों ने भी देखा होगा, I'm sure, like बाकी एक्टर्स के इंटरव्यू. Come on,
Like
guys.
an
जब
example
दो
of
लोग
a
साथ
PR
में बैठे होते
question.
हैं.
How was it to work with each other?
What is the
on a
PR
film
safe
set?
answer, Adarsh?
It was fantastic. I think it was the best learning experience of my
Couldn't be
life.
more fake,
Like,
bro.
I have never honestly worked on a film like this. It was amazing. Everything was so new for me.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't think I would
Hold-
ever give this
hold
answer
that thought.
ever, even in a PR.
Shania,
safe.
PR safe answer.
PR safe answer, we have become the bestest of friends, and even post the film, we will always be in touch.
Okay. अब सच बता दो मेरे को.
सच क्या है? सच?
I'm scared.
Such,
What is going to come out of your mouth right now?
सच ये कि मजा आया काम करके. सच ये कि those 20 days that we were in the pool, we kept each other entertained by doing random things, and I feel like overall we just had a great time shooting for this film.
इंडस्ट्री से आपने क्या सीखा है?
PR proof.
बता दे.
answer.
PR proof पहले बता दे.
भाई मैंने आपको बोला ना मेरा कोई ऐसा PR proof है
मेरे
नहीं.
को
मेरे
यही
को
डर
समझ
है
नहीं
तेरे
आ रहा है कि मैं क्या बोलूं PR proof.
Okay, Shania. Shania might be able to give us a PR safe answer.
PR safe industry has taught me. Wait a second, let me think about it.
Okay,
my friends
easy,
are-
easy. I'm not doing this for the money. It's the role.
Oh,
I'm
But-
also doing it for the money.
is
Not purely
not
for
the
money.
PR.
It's not the PR.
It's
version.
the real answer.
The
वो
real
मेरे
answer.
मेरे को समझ आ गया. वो पहले real answer ही दे रहा है क्योंकि उसके दिमाग में जो
दिमाग-
आंसर आ रहा है वो
हाँ.
बोल रहा है. अब PR safe answer क्या है?
But also I have worked in brands for money. फिल्मों में मैंने काम नहीं किया पैसों के लिए.
Okay.
नहीं किया. शोज में किया है. वो डिज्नी वाली शो जिसमें
जिसमें आपके साथ कौन थी?
तारा सुतारिया.
Right.
स्वीट लाइफ ऑफ करण कबीर. वो पैसे के लिए किया था. 15,000 मिले थे मुझे एक दिन के. बहुत होते हैं भाई. 2011 में 15,000.
Yeah.
I was 16 or 17. It's crazy money.
Shania? Okay.
The
PR safe answer.
PR safe answer is no. I just follow my heart, but I think the true answer
I
is
just
that
follow my
I've heard that.
everyone,
I've heard that.
everyone, you know, you're
was-
working for a living, right?
Correct.
How will you do that
Pay
if
your
you're not living?
bills,
Yeah,
right. So
if you don't get paid.
When you said I follow my heart, I was transported to a time in Jamshedpur when I would read actor interviews in India Today that my dad used to get on a Saturday. और उसमें लास्ट पेज पे ना एक्टर के इंटरव्यूज आते थे तो उसमें ऐसे टाइप के आंसर्स होते थे.
हाँ.
What has the industry given you? What did you say?
This one is
Follow your
interesting
heart.
क्योंकि
Yeah, why do
ये
you work
फिल्म
in
जो है
films?
ये मुश्किल है and I've understood the pain and the pain of not going to the loo while shooting for this film. ठीक है. This is one thing. मैंने अपने आप को रूम में लॉक कर लिया था to prepare for this role. PR safe answer.
PR safe
कितना
answer.
मुश्किल था preparation आपके लिए?
हाँ मैं मतलब रहे मुश्किल ऐसे मैं रूम में कभी लॉक नहीं किया मैंने अपने आप को लेकिन ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी उसकी. लेकिन क्या हुआ था इंटरेस्टिंग एक बात बताता हूँ आपको. PR safe answer segment से थोड़ा deviate कर रहा हूँ but this is a more interesting answer than what my answer would be for that. I was living in a hotel while prepping for White Tiger and the hotel staff thought I was a double agent or I was working for the government.
Double agent?
Not a double agent. They thought I was a spy or something because I had my entire wall was full of Priyanka Chopra, Rajkumar Raw's photos, Mahesh Manjarekhar's photos, arrows drawn,
No
charts made,
ways.
and they were like, "Is he an assassin or like, who is he?" And I would be dressed as the guy who was working at the ठेला.
हाँ.
तो मेरा पीछा करवाते थे वो लोग अपने होटल स्टाफ से रोड पे मेरे को मेरे
ये कहाँ
होटल
जा रहा है?
हाँ कि
इसकी
कौन है
planning
ये
के बारे में
क्या कर
ज़रा
रहा है
पता
अभी?
नहीं।
हाँ और मैं रूम के अंदर घुसने नहीं देता था उनको, मैं लॉक करके रखता था, यू नो आई डोंट नो मेरे गैर मौजूदगी में अगर घुस के वो तलाशी ले रहे थे तो मेरे को नहीं पता, बट वरना रूम क्लीनिंग के लिए आते रहे तो मैं बस ऐसे यहाँ देखता रहा, बोलता रहा नहीं बाद में और फिर बंद कर देता था। तो वो लोग को दे वर लाइक भाई कौन है ये बंदा, ये ऐसा क्यों
प्रियंका चोपड़ा
ड्रेस्ड
की
है
फोटो
और वो
क्यों लगा
यहाँ
रखी
क्यों,
है?
हाँ बहुत कंफ्यूज
और ये
थे।
ठेले पे क्यों काम कर रहा है? इसने प्रियंका चोपड़ा की फोटो लगा रखी है। Okay, this one is for you. You obviously are in an age group where there are lots of actors. Janhvi happens to be pretty much a contemporary of yours. तो जब मैं एक्ट्रेसेस से सुनता हूँ ना कि no she is also a great actress and we are not competitors and we are not like
But that is true.
yeah no I'm not saying competitors लेकिन
Yeah, no
सबका
one
काम
is.
अच्छा थोड़ी ना लग सकता है, सबका काम अच्छा नहीं लग सकता है ना,
But I'm no one to. I don't think I'm in the position to judge.
but as a
right?
viewer you could have, right?
But when I watch something, I always watch it. Yes, of course, as an audience, but always I understand as an actor the work and effort that everyone's put in.
So
I
you've
don't
never
really-
said anything negative about a film?
No. I actually never do. And I said that off camera also with Adarsh. If I have an opinion, of course I'll always, it's very normal and that's you're an audience, you should have an opinion. But I'll never say anything negative.
So your real answer is also a PR safe answer.
सीख गए
No, I'm saying
No,
नहीं,
but
नहीं,
genuinely.
मैं कह रहा हूँ अच्छी चीज है।
No,
तू
I
क्या उसको
actually
रोस्ट कर रहा
believe
है
that.
bro? वो सही भी बोल रही है तो उसको रोस्ट
But
कर रही
ये
है।
roast ही करता है, but
क्यों?
वो ठीक है, that's normal.
So
I
the
think
last
that's the
question,
thing about
how
friends, you have
have
to
you
roast
learnt
each
anything
other.
from Adarsh on this film, Shanaya?
The
This is my last question.
I've heard your PR answer. No, give me the real answer.
Oh yeah, my PR answer, what is my PR answer?
Your PR answer is the answer you've been saying for the last.
Oh, you don't believe that?
I believe it.
My PR answer is actually my real answer.
It is also the real answer.
That he's half my job is done because I'm performing with an actor like him, because he's giving me so much, so I'm learning from him.
Alright,
Which is
guys.
the truth.
Which is it?
I have lost.
It's
No,
very,
I'm
very heartbroken that you think that's the PR safe answer.
I don't think that's. I think it's.
I said that to you. That even my dad told me that
That-
you're
no, I
performing
fully believe
with him, so he's gonna give you so
guys,
much.
I was sometimes I just roast you for because I
सुन
just
लो
want
मेरी
to
बात।
entertain myself.
अब तो क्या वो मोमेंट चला गया। I wanted to say कि दोनों लड़ पड़े, तू या मैं shouldn't become you or me or something, right?
But this always keeps happening. We can go
Do
back.
you guys
to
fight
it.
a lot?
We
No,
don't
we don't
fight,
fight.
but we're always pulling
Does
each
he
other's
bully you a
leg.
lot?
No, he doesn't bully. He does.
I told you.
Safe
अगर
answer.
इस पॉडकास्ट में एक रियल चीज मिल गई ना, so
एक
it is
real
worth it.
चीज मिल गई।
आई है
भाई।
बिल्कुल एंड में आई है।
मैं bully करने को मेरे को आता भी नहीं
ये,
है। मैं
नहीं
सिर्फ
ये
टांग
bully
खींचता हूँ।
he's always pretending all be I'm super chill and all. No, you bully me.
मैं अपने आप को entertain करता हूँ और मैं इसकी
At
टांग
my
खींचता हूँ।
cost.
At her cost. Sometimes it is at her expense.
No, but then I
Won't
pinch
deny.
him or I tickle him and I
I couldn't
irritate.
have asked for something better than this to start things off. Thank you, Adarsh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shanaya. I just hope Tu Ya Main doesn't become you or me by the end of it. And best of luck, guys.
Is it not
Thank
already?
you.
It is that. It's you or me. तू या मैं.
For the crocodile, bro. Not for you both.
But we don't know that
Oh,
yet.
you don't know that yet.